time for your daily circuit. All right, let's get rocking. Time for double crunches. Let's go for 25 seconds. Let's get rolling. Keep your chin off your chest. Eyes on the ceiling. I want you to visualize your abs contracting. Don't pull on your neck. Let's move on to the next exercise. Now, standing toe tap crunch. Hit it for 25 seconds. Let's begin. Use your core to hike that foot up off the ground. Give me some fire on this one and some power behind that leg raise. You get 10 seconds left. Big exhale as you bring your hand down to touch your toe. Good. Next exercise. Inchworm time. I want you to go for 25 seconds. Okay, get started. Think about drawing your tailbone up to the sky. Moving 1 inch at a time with your hands and then your feet. Make sure to keep your legs and your arms as straight as possible so that your core is doing most of the work. Terrific! Let's move on. Next, modified back extensions on your knees. Go for 25 seconds. Okay, hit it. Ten seconds. Good. Moving on. Now, windshield wipers. Go for 25 seconds. Let's begin. Keep your knees directly over your hips. Don't swing your legs. Don't let your legs touch the ground. 10 seconds. Push your palms into the ground to stabilize your upper body. Super job. Let's move on. Okay, hanging mountain climbers. You just need to do 25 seconds, and we're off. You want to jump up instead of forward. Using your quads like a spring, drive your lower body up towards the ceiling. Then at the midpoint of the move, when your lower body's in the air, you'll switch the feet, bringing the opposite foot forward and the opposite foot back. Excellent. Next one. Time for ab circle crunch. Go for 25 seconds. All right, go. You got 10 seconds left. Perfect. Next exercise. Now, vertical scissor crunch. Go for 25 seconds. Begin. Press your lower back into the ground. Ten seconds. And finished. Next one. Time for inchworms. Go for 25 seconds. And go. think about raising your tailbone up to the ceiling. Use small steps. 10 seconds. First, walk your hands forward, then tiptoe the feet. Good. Next exercise. Next, modified back extensions on your knees. 25 seconds, bang it out. Let's get rolling. You get 10 seconds left. Okay, done, moving on. Next, bicycle in boat. Let's do 25 seconds. Let's begin. Bring the knee towards the armpit. Ten seconds. Okay, done, moving on. Time for hanging mountain climbers. Let's go for 25 seconds. And we're off. The trick with the hanging mountain climber is quite literally to use enough core strength that you're hanging your body in the air for just a split second between the feet switches. You get 10 seconds left. End of workout.